UMLA kamau kayau ba nujor ki sungo ulara Iing Dorbar Halor bun ki Jingsyier ba ki Peit Khasi Pnar ki badan ha blok 1 ki kendo lakalong ha Jingsyier wadru ha ki kampenroi. Menteri rang ba konrat ke sangma haba juba Halor kani ulaong hadin ba kiyo jingtep ba kadon ka Jingsyier ki Peit kaput ki lapan klanya ki bor pahara ha ki tekitan kaput. Ulet huru ba ka sorkar man kapor ka jekren ba ka sorkar Assam ban kran Halor ka ka benta.
As a probable solution. One, sir, since 1951, our people have been cut off from accessibility to basic need. They have succumbed to what is available as dictated upon by our inherent survival instinct. One of the most important roads in Block 1 area, sir, known as the Khatkasla-Mojam-Jikendeng Road, which is only accessible in winter time. And this is the only road, sir, in Block 1 which do not pass through a Karbi village. It is very important, sir. The road does not pass through any Karbi village. Why I am raising this very important issue, sir? Most of the road that the people of Khasi Pnar use in Block 1 area, they have to grow or they have to pass through several Karbi villages, sir. And when there is some communal clash happen, such as the incident in Khanduli, where a communal clash happened between the Khasi, Pnar and the Karbi, all the road that the Pnar people used to travel, sir, the people from Karbi, they dug a very big hole, they cut trees in order to block the road so that they cannot use or access it. So that's why, sir, this very important road I have raised on the floor of the house not less than 3 times. And personally, sir, I have met the Honorable Deputy Chief Minister in charge PWD so many times. And once again, sir, in this very august house, through you, Mr. Speaker, sir, I would like to once again request upon our Honorable Deputy Chief Minister in charge PWD, sir, to kindly take a special consideration for the construction of this very important road, sir, the Khatkasla-Mojam-Jikendeng Road. And if we construct this road, sir, it will provide a lifeline. And in case if some communal clash happen, the people, the Khasi Pnar population, they can run through a road which does not pass through a Karbi village, sir. And also, sir, point number 2, again, this issue also, sir, I have raised on the floor of the house, and that is to set up one PHC either in Jingsyier or in Dorbar village, sir. Till now, all these people, all these villages in Block 1 area, they have to come all the way from Mojam, from Lamarang, from Shillong to May, which is around 25 to 30 kilometers away. They have to come all the way to Sasniang village, sir. So that's why, sir, I would like to request upon the government. We have seen that the government has done so many good things for the people and for the state as a whole. So, sir, I would like to request upon the state government and especially through our Honorable Chief Minister, sir, to kindly look into this matter and to set up a PHC either in Jingsyier or in Dorbar village, sir. So, in light of the above, through you, I humbly request the state government to kindly lend a serious intervention at all the levels so as to alleviate the plight of our own people residing in this area who are subjected to untold suffering for no fault of theirs. So with this very few submissions, sir, I would like to thank you once again for giving me a chance to raise this call attention, and with a very high hope, sir, that our Honorable Chief Minister and also our Honorable Deputy Chief Minister in charge PWD Road, they will take keen consideration in the issue that I have raised just now, sir. Thank you, sir.
Deputy Chief Minister in charge to reply, please. Chief Minister.
Mr. Speaker, sir, I am thankful to
the Honourable Member, Shri Nujurki Sungo, for having tabled the call attention notice in this August House on the news item, which appeared in the newspaper Mopar dated 2nd of August 2023 under the caption Mika Kinhun Kai Klau Tmai Ki Karbi Jingsyier Ki Khasi Pnar Basaha Block 1. Sir, I heard the statement given by the Honourable Member, and of course the reply was based on the caption that had come in, but his discussion had gone to other areas of development and the concerns of the border issue. So I will try to reply to his concerns, and I will refrain from going into the lengthy reply that was made. But I would just like to go in some of the operative parts concerning this particular matter. So first and foremost, sir, the letter had come to us from the Jingsyier students movement, and based on this letter and the information provided by them on this letter, sir, we are of course replying and acting on the actions are being taken on that matter. And the first thing I would like to mention, sir, is that from the government side and the police side and the district administration side, so we are working tirelessly, sir, to ensure peace and tranquility prevails in the region. In fact, sir, based on the media reports, again, sir, these are all based on media reports, that that there was a United People's Front of Karbi Longri, new militant outfit, as per media reports and as per the letter given to us based on that media report. And hence, sir, we have not taken things lightly. We have in fact ensured that our manpower and security forces have been enhanced and tightened in all the police units, such as the Sait Sama Outpost, Nartyang Police Station, and armed personnel and special force personnel have been increased in all these locations after these inputs through the media again have come in. But I would like to state here, sir, that though the reports have been coming to us, there is no specific concrete intel that we have received, or no specific complaints being reported officially by any of the people that they have received any kind of extortion notes. And hence there is no specific intel by the police and the government on these activities, but nonetheless we are not taking any chance, and hence based on the newspaper clippings, concerns of the different organizations, we have increased our manpower presence in the border area, especially close to these locations which I mentioned earlier, sir. Sir, apart from that, I also would like to state that the concerns of the Honourable Member, of course, are very important, and as correctly mentioned by him, that the history of the entire Block 1 and Block 2, the entire state is aware about how, for administrative convenience at that point in time, the transfer of the Block 1 and Block 2 area was done then. And of course, it is part of history, and it is part of records which are very much available to Government of Assam, Government of Meghalaya, and the central government, sir. And hence, given those circumstances, as a state government, keeping in mind the concerns of the people living in that area, we have started engaging with Assam government on this issue, along with the Karbi Long District Council. And these are complicated matters, and hence I will refrain from going into the details of what the discussions are or how we are moving forward. But the important point is that Government of Meghalaya, for the very first time in such a serious manner, of course past governments also have made their efforts, but never have we seen this kind of effort in all the areas of differences that were there, that the state government, along with the Assam state government, has been engaging to find an amicable solution to this entire problem. So, sir, we are working on it, and in fact, in the first week or second week of October, as I have already mentioned and informed the House, that there will be another round of meeting with the counterparts, that is the regional committee chairmen and the Honourable Chief Minister and the government of Assam, to discuss the matters, and there will be a special focus being given to Kanduli, PCR, Block 1, Block 2 area, keeping in mind the current situation and the slight tension that was prevailing out there. So apart from that, I also would like to share that that as a state government, we have been continuously working towards the overall development of the state, and large number of roads have already, in fact, in the concerned MLA, the mover of this call attention, is aware that in his constituency also many roads which were neglected in the past, for whatever reason, many roads have been taken up. Many areas of concerns, whether it's schools, whether it's medical units, PHC, CHC, sub-centers, the government has made concerted effort to ensure that we are able to provide all-round development.